be the boss, look like a boss, walk into your work, walk into that room looking all fly and like you're the boss, own that room, baby. And nobody don't have to know that you only paid a couple bucks to look that good. I mean, hey guys, welcome back. Today I have another Temu haul for you guys. If you have not heard about Temu yet, you must believe it on the rap, because baby, they have literally everything under the sun on that website for a fraction of the cost. So click the link in my bio, download the Temu app, use my discount code 522250 for extra 30% off, so you can go ahead and shop like a boss. I promise you the quality is amazing. The stuff they have on it, so I'm going to unbox this and show you guys what I ordered versus what I got. So let's go. Look at, oh my gosh. Ooh. I got my mommy bag. This is my mommy bag. My errands bag. Probably vacation too. So mommy, errands, vacation, you name it. So student teachers meeting. My little Tote. It's a nice quality. I love it. Love it. And it has the zipper right there. It's also really deep inside, and it has another little coin pocket or wallet, put your coin and stuff and that in there. So it's really cute, and the strap is nice. It's nice. I love it. So I will give this one a 10. Okay, I'm gonna rate it for you guys. So 10 out of 10. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? How cute. Alright, I need to I need to fix it for you. Hold on. It opens up. It comes with another chain, guys. So it was squished in the bag, as you can see, for transport, for delivery, but nothing is the little. She's a hands on. Couldn't do to replace it, but I love it. Ooh. And even my little daughter can carry this too. How stinking cute are these? I love it. You can tell me nothing, okay? Ooh, baby, baby, baby. This is so cute. They are so cute. These because one, they were cheap, super cheap. Two, I already ordered a bunch of stuff on Temu, so I know they have really good quality stuff. So I know the quality is going to be good. And 3 or 4, I don't know. I mean, they are so cute and unique. And look at that. Look at that. Like it's love, not like love. So 10, 10, 10. And I'm not being biased. I don't want to, y'all think I'm being biased and giving it all 10s, because if one deserves less than 10, I'm going to let you guys know. Now, who wants to talk to me this summer? My spring, summer, my vacation. I'm vacation already, baby. Got another long strap so you can wear it as a, what you call it, the crossbody bags. No, I love those. So I love that it has the option to wear it as a cross bag. And I love the cute little fur. Ching, 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 ching. Ah, baby. I was stepping out in style. 10. Ooh. Now, I knew this looked cute on the website, but I didn't know that it would be this cute in person. Like, look at the details on the handle. Oh. Man, I love this thing. Let me see. Can you quickly just slide my phone in it? Oh, yeah. Sorry about slide my phone. Can fit my little, let's see. Sorry. Can fit my travel perfume too. Yeah, it's a bunch of things. Our hand lotion, let me test it out. Hand lotion. Oh, see all that? All that in my purse. And this too, can put my little money or my cards in it. Yeah, love it. Oh, 10. I hit 10. I don't know. I don't know. Now y'all know. By the time you see this, no, Valentine's Day is right around the corner, guys. And this, I ordered this one to take out with me on Valentine's night. And it comes with the chain, the gold chain. It's a little mini purse. And I love the gold details. Now tell me about it. How cute is this? Cute. Cute. It's cute, very cute. And of course, I'm gonna give this one a 10. See? Now this one is similar to this one, but this one is more rectangular and this one is more of a square. So they have the same little detail at the front. So it's cute. And it also comes with the gold chain. I love it. I love them. That's a 10. But it's been years since I owned a wallet, so I decided to get this one. And it has a nice space in it. It has a lot of slots and stuff. Can fit my car or my cards and IDs and phone. It can even fit my phone in it. And it's cute. Like, who doesn't love a cute leopard print? I know I do. And the material is really nice. So really cute, and I love the gold zipper, of course, on it. So absolutely gorgeous, and definitely a 10. And I'm sure it can easily slide into your purse, but I see if it can fit in this one. Yeah, see, easily fits in your purse, even your small purse. Or a handbag, it easily fits in it. So definitely a 10. This concludes my little haul. I got 7 pieces for under 30 for under $35. I think the most expensive piece I ordered was this one. As you can see, this one was almost $10. You cannot sit there and say that this was not a steal. This was a legit deal. 7 pieces of purse for under $35. Come on, guys. Come on. Unheard of. So cute. I am obsessed with all of them. Definitely a 10. Go ahead, click the link in my bio, use my coupon code FAB2250 across the screen. Download the Temu app, use my code, save you some coins, and go ahead and snatch you these pieces. They have these, and they have a ton more, like so many adorable pieces, all different shape and sizes to choose from to go with any occasion. So go ahead, shop till you drop, and go ahead and shop like a boss, be the boss, look like a boss, walk into your work, walk into that room looking all fly and like you're the boss. Own that room, baby. And nobody don't have to know that you only paid a couple bucks to look that good. I mean, the stuff don't wear you, you wear the stuff. Remember that. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't yet, leave me a comment down below, let me know which piece was your favorite, and go ahead and check out Temu. I still need to figure out if it's Temu or Temu, but I love the Temu, so Temu. Go ahead and check out Temu. Alright, I love you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time, have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, and a fabulous year. Mwah.